Dude, how the fuck did we plug these lights in?
There's a plug down there.
Wait a minute. This time.
What?
Jeff,
Huh?
how do we have these plugged in?
Bells are too low. The bells is what was hung up.
Nah, that shit's pegged in the wall, my dude.
No,
This
no.
doesn't even reach the...
Well, because you have it too high over here. It's the bells that were supposed to be pegged.
What is going on back there?
Little plastic Christmas bells.
Little plastic Christmas pane.
Welcome back to another Wednesday follow-up.
Welcome.
Y'all, we're following up on last week's soap.
Soap.
Sawdust soap.
Sawdust soap.
And cheesy Cheeto soap.
And cheesy Cheeto soap. Stop shaking it at me, please. I don't want to sit next to this monstrosity. Also, the cheese can move as...
Also, in continuation with December, the best and worst treats that Christmas has to offer. Everybody knows about the chocolate orange.
Everybody knows about the chocolate orange. Did you look up an origin story for the chocolate orange? Because, like, I want to know, like, what motherfucker said somewhere, let's put orange in chocolate. And also, let's make an orange out of chocolate that tastes like orange chocolate.
I did not look
It's a
up.
weird flex. Are you gonna?
What are you talking about smacking it? You
You
gotta do the smack.
Okay, so like this is solidified, right? Everybody knows about the chocolate orange smack.
Well, I mean,
you gotta like
it's
fucking.
got grooves cut in it.
Yeah, that should be good. Here, you open it.
I mean,
I think I did it right. I don't know, y'all. I've not read the directions.
oh
and-
no, you're right. Whack and unwrap.
Yeah, it says it all over the fucking thing.
I do that.
I'm crazy. Don't you smack my chocolate orange?
Well, it's
Yeah, it's partially.
You got most of it.
We can still whack after the unwrap. You kids get off of my lawn!
It is pretty tasty.
I mean, it's hard to go wrong with a chocolate orange. It's much better than fruitcake.
In the soap video, we stated that voting starts with this video.
With this video. But everybody...
People are commenting on there now about who should have to take the cheese bath.
I know. I've been following.
I heard from Steve I. He said, you both have created this abomination. You both need to atone for it.
Both. Like, what does that mean? I'm not...
You ever showered with nobody else before?
Not a man. Not my brother.
CJ, he says, is there an option to cut the bar in half and both of you wash so we could see you both suffer?
I mean...
No, not. It is not getting cut. It stays as what I want it to stay after this is said and done because I can look at
it's
it.
not. Yeah, it's not going to go away from getting used. I can tell you that much. What'd you do, dude? What did you knock over? Your coaster stuck to the bottom of your
It did.
tub?
It suctioned. Luke Silverfish. He said both and shoot the follow up in the tub together. And I do want to know how the real soap works out. We ain't shooting the follow up in the tub.
No.
Whatever happens, we'll film that, but it's not the whole video.
I think we should probably make a disclaimer now. If you vote both, it counts as a tally for both of us. I.e., if everybody votes both, except for one person, and they vote Caleb or Adam, then that will sway the vote towards one or the other.
Adam just really don't want to do both.
I really, like, this escalated so bad, I didn't want it to be me in the first place, so I said, let's put it to a vote. And then everybody's like, yeah, how about y'all get in the tub together and wash with this cheese soap? I hate the internet.
Dude, HTFG.
Harry, better not vote both Gary.
I vote both. That's what he says. He said, and you made us watch a soap making channel. I was fooled by a woodworker to watch soap being made. Interesting idea for Sawdust.
Are you not entertained?
Gary liked it.
Gary liked it.
And we like Gary.
We do like Gary.
I heard from an Ash Evans that says both.
Ash, we're gonna have words.
I know we're not going to like this, but right now I'm quite enjoying this.
The chocolate orange is good. Whatever happened next week, please procure a tasty treat beforehand so we don't just like get fucking dunked on with the food and then one or both of us has to fucking bathe with this nasty cheese.
Our last follow-up, we ate the awful fruitcake.
It was terrible.
Dude, someone thumbs down that video. They must like fruitcake.
Why do you like fruitcake? I mean, again, who is keeping this market alive?
We did a Q&A.
Oh yeah, we did. Nobody is
Like hardly
responding to that.
Like hardly anybody. It was weird. I don't know. Y'all must be like out for Christmas or something because we didn't hear from hardly nobody.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn.
And remember, you asked sour cream or onion, or sour cream and onion or barbecue.
Oh yeah.
Gary says sour cream and onion.
Of course.
HTFG.
The best.
His questions. Whose Star Wars stocking? It was mine, and then my mom gave me that one from my childhood, and so now it's a vacant stocking.
I guess it could be my stocking.
That's okay. Adam is the Stormtrooper stocking.
I'm the Stormtrooper stocking now, guys.
And my mom made that one for Ben. I think that was Jeff's one year, and I think we got this for Junior.
Dude, that cat is not having a good time.
He said, also, where is the video on making the nameplates on the table?
Oh.
I never did a video
He
for
never
those.
did a video. They're nice, though. Don't you like them?
I think I made them around the same time I made the haunted house. Actually, I think when I'm building the haunted house, you could see them in progress.
Oh, Easter egg.
Mm-hmm.
You're not having good times with that
Yeah, what
toaster.
the hell's happening?
It's just...
Third question. I am a huge Sam Adams beer fan, especially the Oktoberfest.
As are we.
Adam is always with a Shiner beer. Which is your favorite seasonal beer by Shiner?
By Shiner. I used to like the Ruby Redbird. It was a good summer beer, summer spring beer. Sort of grapefruit-y and, infused
I don't love grapefruit.
and light. Yeah, he doesn't like it. Far be it from me. I think most of the beers that they've ever made I've always enjoyed, at least to some extent. Their Wicked Ram's really good. It's an IPA if you like that. And I personally, I don't go out of my way for IPAs. I would for that one. On the note of Sam Adams, though, me and Caleb both found this, I wish I could find it again. I think it only came in like a seasonal sampler 12-pack, but it was like a smoked coffee porter?
Was it coffee?
Or smoked porter, I don't remember, but it was Sam Adams, and it was...
Smoked.
Thanks, Gary.
Dude, actually, all we heard from was HTFG and Luke Silverfish.
Really?
Yeah.
Come back.
Come back.
We miss you. We love you.
Let us know you're still here. Kevin? Luke Silverfish says, first off, I'm flipping tables right now for y'all calling me a Nazi hippie.
A Nazi with 2 Z's. It's like a jazzy Nazi.
A Nazi hippie. He says, I'm gassing up the chopper to fly down there and give y'all a piece of my mind. He said, second off, sour cream and Union.
Sour cream and Union?
Look.
Are you, trying to drop coded hints or something?
He says, my question is, if you had to shave your head or your beard for a whole month, what would it be? My second question is, what is special about December 4th? How would I know that?
How would he know that?
How would you know that, Luke?
If I had to shave one or the other, my head or my beard,
For a month.
It would definitely be my head. I've shaved my head before and rocked the beard. It's a good look. It makes you look like an angry serial killer. Actually, after you get glasses, if you go bald and have a beard, it just makes you look like a biology teacher. So, yeah, scratch that. Which it's a good look, too.
Simon Whistler.
Yeah, you look like Simon Whistler.
I don't like either of those things.
I'm going to try to get you to shave your head for a hot minute.
I would shave my beard. My beard grows back a lot faster than my hair. I wouldn't want to shave my beard, but... One thing I forgot to mention was a while back, Ken Ferner said he would like to see us do a live stream Wednesday follow-up. Not opposed to it.
I'm not opposed to it either. Logistically, we should talk about the voting for the soap now. You're a degenerate.
I don't mind the way it smells.
Your moral compass is misaligned.
So we need y'all to decide which one of us has to take the cheese bath.
You should vote Caleb.
You should vote Adam.
Look at him. It was his idea to make this. It was his idea to even start making soap. This is a woodworking channel. Why is he making soap? What a weirdo.
But Adam is more repulsed by it than I am, so that'll give you a better
I'm
reaction.
repulsed by everything.
So y'all cast your vote
For Caleb.
down for Adam down
Caleb.
below in the comments. And then next follow-up, we can watch Adam take a cheese
We
bath.
can watch Caleb take a cheese
We
bath.
can watch Adam take a cheese bath.
Caleb's going to take a cheese
I
bath.
wonder if when Adam is lathered up with it, if the bubbles are going to be orange.
And I'm actually going to, dump a tub of nacho cheese on you, too, while you're doing it.
No, that's not a thing. So official voting has begun. Leave a vote down in the comments. Adam, what's your weekly question?
Why did you make this soap? I mean, I know I was part of it, but why did you come up with this?
It'll be alright, man.
What's your weekly question?
Dude, my weekly question...
What is your question?
What is one project you built where going into it you thought it was going to be extremely easy, and it ended up being really difficult. But I tend to get those projects a lot where I'm like, oh, that's gonna be so freaking easy, and then I go to build it and it's like horrible. I'll tell you what mine is: making box joints. Look, I've watched so many people do it. You set up the datum stack, you get your little, fucking thing on the miter slot, and it's got the little key that you cut the notch, and then you put it on the key, and you cut the next notch, and so on, and then you line your other piece up, and you run it through, and then you got these perfect boards that join together, and you're like, oh, beautiful fancy box. And then I do it, and the joints go together, but like one side of the box is like that much taller than the other side, and like nothing is going together correctly, and it's just horrible, and I got kicked back on the table saw.
Ah!
Yeah. So it's something that you all have built that you thought was going to be super easy, and it ended up being really hard. Let me know down below. Anyways, I think that's all we got.
That's all we got.
Wait, so leave your votes down below. Leave your answers down below. If you liked and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel too, because we have brand new videos every single Friday. Every Friday and every Wednesday. So click that notification bell so you don't miss nothing.
Nothing.
Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.